In a quaint village, there lived two friends, Mia and Lily. Mia, a farmer's daughter, had a loyal dog named Max, while Lily, a baker's daughter, had a clever cat named Coco. They spent every day together, exploring the countryside. One winter, a harsh snowstorm struck, blanketing the village in snow. Food became scarce, and the villagers struggled. Mia and Lily decided to share what little they had with others, despite their scarcity. As day passed, the situation worsened. Mia's farm ran out of supplies, and Lily's bakery had no flour left. Feeling disheartened, they trudged through the snow, seeking help. On their way, Max and Coco noticed their distress and devised a plan. Max guided the villagers to Mia's farm, where Coco directed them to Lily's bakery. Together they helped gather resources, ensuring everyone had food and warmth. Mia and Lily were astounded by their pets' intelligence and selflessness. Witnessing the friendship and teamwork between Max and Coco, Mia and Lily understood the true essence of loyalty and cooperation. Inspired by their companions, they worked together, pooling resources to support the villagers until the storm passed.